Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. Today we are going to be talking about why medical students study so hard but the results do not show their effort and how they can work on that. If that's what you're here for, let's get started. Now, let me surprise you. There is only one way you can get out of such a situation, and that way is to find out what exactly the problem is and tackle that problem. If you do not know why your scores are so low despite the large efforts that you're putting in, then you cannot walk out of that problem. So now let me tell you several reasons why your scores will be low. Number one reason in no particular order is that you are not putting in enough effort. Now I am addressing those who usually wait until a week before exam to start studying. You would assume that studying 247 the week before exam is so much effort, but I will beg to differ. If you do not put in enough hours of studying throughout the semester, then you have not put in enough work. This is for those who are involved in procrastination, like you let yourself pile up notes and pile up the materials until they become too voluminous and overwhelming. If this is you, take note of this. The second reason is that you don't study the right thing. You can find yourself studying large and voluminous textbooks, but yet you are not studying the exact topic and the exact material that you need to be able to write and pass very well. If you are in this category, you will find out that you're putting in so much effort to study the wrong thing, and that is not going to give you the results that you're looking for. The third category of people are those that study but do not remember what they have studied. Now in this situation, I've uploaded a video series on how I remember what I've studied. If you've not seen it, please go see it. I'll put it up for you. You need to work on your memory skill. If you're in the category of not studying well enough, work on your discipline. Get a mentor if necessary. If you're a preclinical student and you do not know, I mentor preclinical students, though it's not for free. It's at a monthly subscription fee. Check the link below. I'm going to put all the details for you. You need to get a mentor if you find yourself procrastinating too much or you are not disciplined enough. A mentor will keep you right on track, and you yourself, you can decide to motivate yourself to be disciplined and not procrastinate, so that you will study enough for you to pass your exams. If you're in the next category that do not study the right things, you should get yourself on track. Find out the course outline, find out from your seniors what exactly the lecturer is looking for, and study the right materials. Start from your slides, start from your lecture notes to study before you move up to studying textbooks and big internet materials. If you're in the category where you do not remember what you've studied, just go watch that my video. I'm sure it's definitely going to help you, and of course enlist the help of the Holy Spirit to help you remember what you have studied. Sorry for cutting this video short. This video was too long. Like I said, I prefer my videos to be 3 minutes long at most. And next week I'm going to upload the 3 more reasons why your results are not getting better. See you next week. Bye.